Annyeong, chingudeul. Today I'm going to visit my friend's house because she moved there to a different house, and I'm going to give my present and we're going to cook Philippine food. Let's see. I'll see you later. In Korea, when you visit house for the first time, and it's like a housewarming, you have to bring something present like toilet paper and detergent soap or dishwashing soap, because it means luck and more blessings to come. But since it's usual, so I want to try to give her this air fryer because she loves to cook and she's a very good chef, I think. Okay. So I bought her an air fryer, so we will test later. I also bought chicken. Let's try and see if it cooks well. Okay. So I hope she will like my present. We're going to test it as well. So I bought some ingredients and we will use it later. So we have here ingredients for cooking pancit and chicken fry mix, and I bought chicken and then the cabbage and carrots under. So these are the ingredients. I'm leaving my house now, but I have to wear mask for safety. Okay, I'll see you later.
A few moments later.
So I'm here. Ayan na. You're happy. We will trust that.
Mayaman ako.
Oo, tetes. Idamay mo na yan sa kayamanan mo. 안녕. 많이 먹어라. 얘 운전이지? 얘는 맨날 울은 운차나. So I'm going to be a yaya for today. I'm going to feed the twins, Unjun and Unchan. 안녕 해봐. 안녕. 너 안녕 해봐. 안녕 해봐. 여기 이모 봐봐. 안녕 해봐. 웃어봐. 먹자. 해봐. 이거 뭐야? 아야. hindi masarap ang baka dyan.
Shrimp!
해봐.
Shrimp nilalagay din doon.
괜찮아. 아무 거나. 먼저 해. 너.
Ayun, ano ka muna ito para...
먹자. 해봐. 싫대. 아야. So now she's unboxing the air fryer. Mayaman ka na.
Mayaman na ako.
May papamana ka na. Red means lucky. Tadaan!
Ay, ang cute naman.
Siyempre kasing cute ko.
Ay, ang cute!
O, diba? Ganda. So, we're going to use that. Ang yaman.
Parang ayoko gamitin. Kung puno na gamitin. Nag-ano sila kayo? Nagsisilling.
Okay. So, you see power. And then minutes. So, turn on. Minutes. And then you choose.
May space pa naman dito.
Yeah. So for today we're going to cook chicken. So it's 180°C for 15 to 22 minutes. Let's test. And she's opening. Yayamanin.
Wala pang gold. Dapat mas maganda pag gold.
Walang gold eh. Red lang. So, here's the manual.
Ilang kilo pa nilutuin natin pansit?
Almost 2. Mula. 잠깐만. 튀김 받침 되네. 빵하랑.
Pangarang ba?
We're going to make fried chicken using air fryer. We're going to test. So we're going to mix crispy fry breading mix and that.
Gusto ko pa naman sa...
Lagyan mo konti. So we added salt and pepper. And then we're going. Okay, already mixed. I'm going to put to the chicken.
Ate, baka nakabukas yung siya sa pato, ha? Ay, tulong yan. May pulungan nga pala kayo, ha?
Now all set.
Masarap.
So I'm going to put inside. Tadaan. I do the honor of using it for the first time. So turn it on. 15 to 22 minutes. So let's make it 20 minutes. Okay, cooking now. So make a gravy. So first you have to put 2 cups of water and then flour and then butter. Okay, so you have to mix the butter with flour and water. And then the fire must be in low. Beef flavor. Mushroom. Mushroom. Yummy. Okay. Additional water. When you put water, it should be cold. Additional beef.
For the color. Ano na toyo?
Isa. Okay, and soy sauce for coloring. And
Sabi namin,
pepper to paste. Okay, it's done. Yummy. Serve. Ta-da! Chicken and gravy. Yummy. Japchae. Philippine style. I had fun with the kids.